Hey there, Scrapper people. Today we're going to tear apart this here little pump. It does not work no more. It won't power on or nothing. As it sits, it weighs 3 pounds, 3.23 pounds, and at 5 cents a pound, that is 16 cents for this as is. We're going to tear it apart. We're going to see what more we can get out of it. I'm sure we can get more, and hopefully it's copper, and we're going to get this apart and find out. So stay tuned and let's get it done. I think it's already got the screws out of it. Our insulated copper wire. Pull that out and get the brass out of it. Sure what I'd say that's cast aluminum way it feels. That's cast aluminum. Looks like somebody's been playing in here. Completely missing a brush. Find me something to get that off with. We got that out. So gotta get those loose. Now we got them going. There we go. That's cast aluminum. we got it apart. Looks to be all cast aluminum too. Get that there out. We'll get it cleaned up later. Hopefully this is copper. It's not copper. That is aluminum. That sucks. That is copper, but that's not. So I'll get this off, and then when I get it off and get everything cleaned up, we'll come back and weigh it up and see what we get. So stay tuned and we'll be right there. We are. We'll be right back. Okay, we are back, and at 1.6 pounds of steel shred at 5 cents a pound, we are getting 8 cents for this steel shred. For the insulated copper wire at 30 cents a pound, at 0.36 pounds, we're getting 11 cents for the insulated copper wire. For the clean black brass at $1.80 a pound, we have 0.03 pounds, we're getting 6 cents for that clean yellow brass. For the copper, as you see, it's $3 a pound, and this has been zeroed. We did get a little bit, not a lot. At 0.17 pounds, at $3 a pound, we did get 51 cents worth of copper. Better than nothing. And last but not least, for the cast aluminum, clean cast aluminum, at 35 cents a pound, we got 0.82 pounds. That is 29 cents. And yes, I did cut the aluminum off. It popped right out, so it was easy to take off. If you want to add that up, my yard takes this as sheet aluminum. $0.40 a pound, 3 cents for that. So that was it. That was what we got out of this little tiny pump. We made more than if we just scrapped it as is. So hope you liked the video. Thumbs up is always great. Please like, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one. See ya.